Hi there, welcome to HappyAddons. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Scroll Tabs widget of HappyAddons. With this widget, you can display content in separate scrollable tabs on landing pages. For this, you need Elementor Free, HappyAddons Free, and HappyAddons Pro plugins. Once they are installed, open a page with Elementor. Find the Scroll Tabs widget and place it on the Elementor canvas. It will come with some default content. Let's first write a title for the container on the title box on the Elementor panel. In the same way, you can write a description. After that, expand a tab and give it a name. Each tab has an icon. You may remove or replace it with a new one. The widget lets you add content directly from editor or template. Let's choose the editor first. Using the editor option, anything you write, add as images, or style will appear on the respective tab in the canvas. By switching to the template option, you can display a pre-designed template on that tab. By clicking Edit section on the template, you can slightly edit the template. For example, if there are images, you can resize them. Once done, click the Edit Page option and save the changes. To better highlight the content, choose a background color for the tab. In the same way, add content to all other tabs. In the second tab, you can see some text overlapping other text, right? We'll show you how to fix it later. Before that, finish adding content to the third tab. By clicking the Add Item button, you can add more tabs to the container if needed. Next, expand the Settings tab. You can change the width of the navigator part from here. By selecting a suitable width, you can fix the text overlapping issue. You can also change the position of the navigator and its alignment. In the same way, you can change the height of the content panel. Adjust the alignment and vertical alignment. Once done, come to the Styles tab. First of all, set a background color for the navigator area. Then, set a suitable typography for the content title. Do the same for all the other texts in the container. Now, by setting border type, border width, padding, border radius, text color, background color, and border colors, you can stylize the tabs. You can see the process in the video. Next, you can change the color for the content panel. In the same way, do the necessary stylizations for the scroll section. Go to the Advanced tab for advanced layout configuration. From here, you can adjust padding and margin as required. When everything is done, publish the design and go to the preview page. Thus, you can use the Scroll Tabs widget of HappyAddons. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.